everybody, Cousin Jim here, headed out for a little adventure. It's pretty windy, we've got a lot of white caps. I'm hoping I can just go bend the rod for you a couple of times. We'll see what we can catch. It's a beautiful day here in South Florida. Alright, Cousin Jim, we're out here rocking and rolling. Sorry about the wind noise, it's blowing about 25, maybe even 30. We're gonna have some fun. Bend the rod. We got one on. Oh, it just came off. Whatever it was just came off. All right, got one on this time. Oh, just came off. Now that's just his nerves. He is no longer alive. Just cut right up the backbone, just right at the skin. Take it there. Come here right by the anal vent and come across to the back. Come up here, cut up into the head and down along this back ridge to where your cut was, right in front of the anal vent. Then go and do it on the other side. If you leave the meat on, it makes it way easier because the fish has the proper shape. We're doing exactly the same thing as we did on the other side. Now once you've done that, run your knife all the way through. That way you can hold this right here, run your knife right through the rib bones, and you come off with a very nice fillet with very little wasted meat. Then you can leave that meat right on the skin and just cut it off like that. Now you can feel there's some rib bones right here. You can see it on the inside, and he has pin bones all the way back to right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut right above those bones. Yes, you lose a little bit of meat, but not too badly. And then I have a friend right here. So I'm going to throw a piece of this fillet right there on the boat. He'll come over and get it. Look how graceful that bird is. He's very happy to get a piece. So you can watch, so you can see the bird. I'm going to fillet out the other side of this fish. Now I didn't go too far away because he would come and eat the fillets right off the table that I just got for myself. Now we're going to take this carcass that I just have and I'm gonna put it in a crab pot and throw it off the end of my dock. See if we can turn it into some crab claws for dinner. Just threw the crab pot in, sitting down there on the bottom. We'll see what we get, if anything. All right, Cousin Jim, maybe I'll see you in the kitchen. Cousin Jim here, you got me in the kitchen. Tonight I'm gonna make a General Tso's flavored porgy in the kitchen. You saw me fillet him already. I've got him here on the plate, ready to go. We'll just put that on there and then go right into the pan. Gonna let these cook for just a couple minutes. You can hear that sizzling. Can you smell it? It's smelling good. Gonna let it brown up just a little bit. You can tell it's ready when it will just flake apart, just like that. Gonna give it a minute more on the other side. It's still a little pink on the inside, but we don't want to dry it out. So there we go. It's fall apart good now. Turn the heat off so we don't burn the house down. See how those pieces just want to fall off? That is some tremendous goodness. Then I've got General Tso's flavored sauce. I'm just going to run a little drizzle onto the plate. There you go. Oh, that is wonderful. Thanks for coming. See you later. Cousin Jim, I'm out of here.